Smart lock installation tutorial. Accessories list introduction. Front lock, rear lock auxiliary lock, front lock screw gasket, lock core fixing screw, rear lock fixing screw, lock core, IC card, key. Use the hole position diagram indoors to align the door edge according to the hole position diagram. 2 6mm diameter front panel fixing screw holes need to be drilled at position there. Use a marker to mark the fixing screw holes at position 1, rear locking vice locking position according to the hole drawing aligned. With the door edge line using a marker in the No5 mark the fixing screw holes. Step 1. Preparation of front and rear locks. Installation of the lock cylinder. Screw on the 2 core retaining screws. Loosen the rear locking cover side fixing screws. Remove rear locking cover. Remove the battery compartment. Unscrew the top screw of the battery cover. Rear locking cover keypad left or right reversing. Unscrew the 4 fixing screws at the back of the keyboard. Remove the keyboard and rotate it 180 degrees. Screw on the keyboard fixing screws. That means the commutation is successful. Insert front locking screw spacer through front locking screws. Step 2. Measure the screw length. Open the door. Measurement of door edge thickness. Allow 1 mm for panel fixing screws. Cut out the excess. Step there. Measure the length of the tail ruler. The front locking tailgate fits in the center hole. Screw on the front lock retaining screws. Allow a certain amount of slack when tightening screws with tools. Adjust the front and rear locks parallel to the door edge. Tighten. Insert the key. Turn the cylinder to vertical for easy measurement. Cylinder actuator with 1.8 cm reserve. Cut off the excess with pliers. Step 4. Install the rear lock. Pass the front lock power cable through the hole on the left side of the rear lock. Slightly turn the key. The front locking tailpiece aligns with the rear locking hole. Note: do not turn key backwards when turning. Closed panel. Secure the rear lock by screwing in the rear locking screws. Connect the front lock power cable to the circuit board connector. Installation of the battery. Note that there is a spring that is negative and a flat surface that is positive. Installing the battery cover. Screw in. Place the battery compartment into the rear lock. Insert the key. Connect the rear locking cover power cable to the circuit board. Rear lock cover aligns rear lock holes. Attach the rear lock cover plate to the rear lock. Close the rear locking flap with a slight turn of the key. Screw on the rear locking cover plate side fixing screws. Step 5. Install rear locking sublock. Loosen the rear lock sublock side retaining screws. Remove the rear locking sublocking plate. Use rear locking screws to secure the base plate, covering the rear locking sublocking panel. Screw in. Installation completed. Step 6. Acceptance of installation completion. Fingerprint unlocking. Combination unlocking. IC card unlocking. Key in the lock. Fingerprint unlocking. Combination unlocking. IC card unlocking. Key in the lock.